In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the can't turn on your microphone error in Google Docs so you can start using voice typing without any issues. Let's start at the very beginning by opening Google Docs. Go ahead and launch your browser and navigate to the Google Docs website. Then open either a new blank document or an existing one where you'd like to use voice typing. It's important to actually have a document open because the voice feature only appears inside an active document, not on the home screen. Once your document is open, look for the Tools menu at the top of the page. Click on Tools and then select Voice Typing. You should see a small microphone icon appear, usually on the left side of the page, and this is the tool that lets Google Docs convert your speech into text. When you click on that microphone icon for the first time, or if permissions were never set, your browser should ask for access to your microphone. This is a key step. When the prompt appears near the address bar, click Allow. If you click block or if you close the prompt without choosing, Google Docs won't be able to use your microphone and you'll see that can't turn on your microphone message. If you're already seeing the error, it usually means the browser doesn't currently have permission to use your mic. To fix this, we need to check the browser's site permissions for Google Docs. At the top of your browser, click on the small lock or info icon next to the website address. This opens a panel that shows what this specific site is allowed to access. Look for the entry labeled microphone. Make sure it's set to allow for the Docs site. If it's set to block or ask, change it to allow. After adjusting this setting, it's a good idea to refresh the page so the new permission takes effect. Once the page reloads, open the same document again, go back to the Tools menu, click Voice Typing, and then click the microphone icon. If everything is set correctly, the icon should turn red and start listening, and you'll see your words appear in the document as you speak. If you've allowed microphone access in your browser and it's still not working, the next thing to check is whether your microphone is actually working at the system level. On your computer, open your sound or audio settings. Look for the input or microphone section and make sure the correct microphone is selected as the default input device. If you have multiple microphones, such as a built-in mic and a headset, choose the one you're actually using. Check the input volume level as well. Speak into the microphone and watch for any signal or level meter to move. If you don't see any movement, try increasing the input volume, unmuting the mic if it's muted, or testing a different microphone if you have one available. Once you've confirmed that your microphone works in your system settings, go back to your browser, refresh the Google Docs page one more time, and test voice typing again. With microphone access allowed in the browser, permissions correctly set for the site, and a working microphone selected in your system, the can't turn on your microphone error should be resolved, and you'll be ready to dictate directly into your documents.